Having one of the best air fryers in your kitchen can seriously streamline your cooking process. Not only are they more affordable than many other cooking appliances, but they also save time, take up minimal space, and help you whip up healthier meals, especially if you're fond of oil-free cooking. If you're just getting into the world of air fryers, remember, they don't actually fry anything. They're essentially compact convection ovens that use a fan to heat up quickly and circulate hot air for even, consistent cooking results. After testing dozens of models, we've handpicked the top 5 air fryers that excel in ease of use and culinary performance. Some are perfect for large families, others are ideal for smaller kitchens, and a few come with unique features that experimental home chefs will adore. As always, check out the links in the description below for current pricing, and if there are any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you too. So, let's dive in and find out which air fryer could be your new kitchen favorite. Starting at number 5, Instant Vortex Plus 6-Core XL Air Fryer. This air fryer is a real crowd pleaser, perfect for anyone looking to cook up a storm without the hassle. With a generous 6-quart capacity, the Instant Vortex Plus is ideal for medium to large families or anyone who loves to meal prep. What makes the air fryer stand out? First off, it has 6 built-in smart programs: air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. This means you can easily switch from crispy chicken wings to dehydrated fruits without missing a beat. The sleek design isn't just for looks, it's built to fit on your counter without taking over your space. During our tests, we were impressed by its even crisp technology, which delivers all the crunch and tenderness of a deep frying with 95% less oil. And yes, those results are as good as they sound. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. Cleanup? No problem. The non-stick dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray make it easy to clean up after dinner. And for those who dread the strong cooking odors that linger after frying, the Vortex Plus features an odor erase technology that keeps your kitchen smelling fresh. But it's not just about cooking and cleaning, it's about simplicity. The easy-to-use touchscreen display makes selecting your cooking mode a breeze, and the preheat function gets your meal started quicker than ever. At number 4, we have the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie. This air fryer is for those who love a kitchen gadget that can do it all. With its impressive multifunctionality, this CHEFMAN model isn't just about air frying. It includes a rotisserie spit and a dehydrator function, making it a versatile powerhouse for any cooking enthusiast. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its generous cooking capacity. The extra-large 10-liter unit allows you to cook for the whole family or prep large batches of food, which is perfect for meal planning or entertaining guests. From crispy french fries and juicy rotisserie chickens to dehydrated healthy snacks like apple chips or beef jerky, this machine can handle it all. What's more, the CHEFMAN air fryer makes cooking a breeze with its intuitive digital touch screen. Select from 17 preset options to perfectly cook a variety of foods, or manually control your cook time and temperature for custom recipes. The rapid air technology cooks food not only faster, but also evenly, with little to no oil needed, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. But it's not just about the cooking, it's about the convenience. This air fryer is designed with user-friendly features like interior lighting and a transparent window, which allows you to monitor your food as it cooks without needing to open the basket and disturb the cooking process. This means better temperature control and consistently delicious results. Cleaning up is just as easy as cooking, thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts and a non-stick interior. The removable dip tray catches any excess oil, making your meals healthier and your cleanup quicker. Coming in at number 3 is the Emeril Lagasse 26-quart extra-large air fryer. This air fryer is a true kitchen powerhouse, named after the famous chef himself, and it lives up to its name, with an impressive array of features and a large capacity that's perfect for families and entertaining. This 26-quart behemoth does more than just air fry. It's equipped with multiple cooking functions to air fry, roast, boil, bake, toast, dehydrate, and more. With such versatility, it can easily replace several kitchen appliances and become your go-to for nearly every meal. One of the most striking features is its extra-large capacity, which can handle everything, from a whole turkey to multiple trays of snacks. The spacious interior is especially great for holiday cooking, allowing you to prepare large batches of food at once. Imagine air frying up to 4 pounds of chicken wings, or baking a 12-inch pizza with ease. Emeril's signature technology ensures that your food is cooked evenly with 360-degree quick cook technology and 5 super powerful heating elements. This means you get consistent, crispy textures and juicy interiors, whether you're cooking a batch of fries or a whole roast chicken. The air fryer also comes with an LCD digital display with 12 cooking functions, making it user-friendly and simple to select the right settings for your dish. Plus, the sleek stainless steel design isn't just for looks, it's durable and easy to clean. Speaking of cleaning, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer is designed with convenience in mind. It features a stainless steel interior and a non-stick surface that makes wiping it down after cooking a hassle-free task. Dishwasher-safe parts further simplify the cleanup process, so you can spend more time enjoying your delicious creations and less time scrubbing. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the COSORI Air Fryer TurboBlaze 6-core. This air fryer is a favorite for those who value speed and efficiency in the kitchen without compromising on the quality of their meals. The TurboBlaze technology is what sets this model apart, featuring a lightning-fast cooking process that's up to 46% quicker than other models in its category. This means you can enjoy your favorite dishes like crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or even a whole roast faster than ever before, making meal prep a breeze even on your busiest days. With a spacious 6-quart capacity, the COSORI TurboBlaze is ideal for families or anyone who loves to meal prep for the week. You can cook a significant amount of food in one go, which is perfect for saving time and energy. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just need to feed a hungry family, this air fryer has you covered. What's more, this model boasts 9-in-1 versatility with cooking functions that include air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and more. The included presets make it easy to cook your meals to perfection with just one touch of a button. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, you'll find the intuitive controls and the clear LED display make selecting the right settings straightforward and stress-free. The COSORI Air Fryer TurboBlaze isn't just about powerful cooking, it's also about healthier meals. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying methods, thanks to the high-speed air circulation technology. This feature ensures that every meal is not only quick to make, but also healthier and packed with flavor. Cleaning up is just as fast as the cooking with this air fryer. The non-stick basket and removable parts are dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup quick and painless. Plus, the sleek compact design means it won't take up too much space on your countertop, but it's still large enough to handle a variety of dishes. Taking the top spot on our list is the Ninja AF101 air fryer. This model is a standout choice for its excellent balance of functionality, ease of use, and consistent performance, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen. The Ninja AF101 has a 4-core capacity, which is ideal for small to medium-sized families or anyone looking to make quick, healthy meals without a lot of fuss. The ceramic-coated non-stick basket isn't just spacious, it's also free of PTFE and PFOA, ensuring safe, healthy cooking for you and your family. Plus, it can fit 2 pounds of french fries or even a whole chicken, making it versatile for various meals and snacks. What really makes this air fryer shine is its simplicity combined with versatility. It features a wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to gently remove moisture from foods, perfect for dehydrating, or quickly cook and crisp foods using convection heat. This range gives you the flexibility to prepare a variety of dishes, from crispy chicken wings to softer dehydrated fruits. The Ninja AF101 is designed for those who want to cook healthier meals. It allows you to air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. This means you can enjoy your favorite dishes like fries, nuggets, and more without the guilt. Ease of use is another hallmark of this air fryer. The intuitive control panel and a handful of preset functions make it user-friendly and straightforward. You can get your meal started in no time with minimal prep. When it comes to cleaning up, the Ninja AF101 keeps things hassle-free. The crisper plate and the air fryer basket are dishwasher safe, which means you can simply pop them in the dishwasher after your meal. So there you have it, our roundup of the top 5 air fryers for 2024. Each model has its own set of unique features, but they all share the ability to make cooking faster, easier, and healthier. Whether you're a busy parent looking for quick, nutritious meals, or a food enthusiast eager to try new recipes, one of these air fryers could be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. But wait, before you go ahead and pick one, it's important to remember that no kitchen appliance is perfect for everyone. While air fryers offer convenience and health benefits, they're not the ideal choice for all cooking styles or preferences. In this video, we dive into some reasons why you might want to think twice before getting an air fryer. Check it out.